Hey guys, you're watching iGyaan. It's 2020 and it's time for a brand new top tech. So let's quickly get started. As always guys, all the products featured in this top tech will be listed in the description below so you guys can go and check them out. Now, if you're not already subscribed, you should hit that subscribe button because top tech items tend to sell out quickly and you want to be the first one to get notified. So don't forget to hit that bell icon too. We're going to start off with our first product, which is this ingenious USB Type-C charging cable. Now, of course, this is a USB Type-C charging cable and it is a 1 meter cable, but it has some additional features. So the USB-C port is right angled and has a little bit of a stand, so you can stand your phone up and watch videos while the phone is being charged. Or you can just have it in a landscape mode and sitting on your desk while the phone is being charged. The cable itself is quite well made, is available in a USB Type-C or a Lightning connector if you are using an iPhone. A clip design on the cable allows you to wrap up the cable and store it neatly as well. So not only can you use it to prop up your phone, but when you put this cable away, you can pack it up nicely. It's priced at only $4.99, so it's a no-brainer and it's a really good quality cable for that price. Definitely go check this out. Now next up on our list is this really cool fan. Now this is a rechargeable fan which has two blades. You can wear this around your neck and point the fan blades towards your face, allowing you to get direct cooling without using your hands. So you don't need to hold the fan in your hand, you can just mount it on your neck and sort of be doing your own things. This is really useful if, for example, the electricity runs out, or if you're out and about and would just like some third-party cooling. This will be really useful for that. Of course, it's only $340, so you can't go wrong with that. It's fairly durable, well made for that price, and it does provide a good amount of breeze. It has a 2000 mAh battery that can be charged easily and should provide you 6 hours of usage because it has 3 speeds. So if you're on the lowest speed, you should get about 6 hours of usage. Really cool fan. If you're interested, definitely go check this out. Now next up on our list are some gaming triggers. Now these are really useful for gaming fans or specifically PUBG or Fortnite fans because these are tap triggers. They're almost like what you find on gaming specific devices. So these are conductive triggers that allow you to mount your, for example, shoot button or scope button on either side and then just simply tap on the sides of these triggers to pass your tap from this to the screen. Definitely a more ergonomical position to have when you are gaming, and definitely a slightly faster response time can be achieved with these tap triggers. For a price of $649, I don't think that there's any question. If you're a gaming fan, you should definitely go check these out. Now next up is something that I personally like using, and it's something that really works whether you're in the winter or in the summer. It's this insulated stainless steel thermos. Now it's available in these funky colors. We've got the red one over here where you can see it's got an aluminum exterior, very nice textured design. Now the cool thing is that this keeps your liquids hot. So if you like hot coffee in the winter, it's going to keep it hot or warm at least for up to 12 hours. And if you like stuff cold like your water or even a cold coffee, it will remain cold for up to 18 hours, which is absolutely fantastic. You can get it in this or a tumbler format. We'll leave links to both of those in the description below. Let's move on to my favorite product in the list, which is this portable handheld gaming console. Now this has 400 of your favorite classic games, starting with Super Mario Bros. Directly on this device. So it's a perfect gaming device on the go. The cool thing with this is that it does come with a TV cable, so you can attach this to the TV and then use the included controller to play games on a television. Provided your TV still has analog inputs, you can play your favorite analog games on your screen or on your large screen. And now these are available anywhere from $400 or $500 all the way up to $800. Forget the Supreme branding because that kind of looks tacky. The gaming console itself is pretty impressive. It has a inbuilt speaker reminding you of the good old days where you could play and listen to the gaming 8-bit sounds directly on the gaming console in your hand, and this sort of gives you a little bit of a throwback. Of course, for under 1,000 rupees, this is a really fantastic gaming console and definitely worth checking out. Now next up is this portable aluminum hard drive case. Now if you have 2.5-inch hard drives or SSDs lying around, you can use this case to transfer data from and to the SSDs, converting them into portable drives. Typically, external cases that are well built are pretty expensive. This one with a USB and an aluminum casing costs only 600 rupees. So definitely a good case for that price. Go check it out. Now another cool product in this list is this table lamp. Now this is a standard LED table lamp, but it's also a RGB light, and you can switch from various colors of the RGB spectrum directly from the switch on the light. If you want to use it as a reading lamp, all you need to do is flip it up and start using it as a reading light. It does have soft non-flickering LEDs, so they're not going to affect your reading or your vision at all, and it's a pretty nice looking table lamp as well. A good modern design, comes from an Indian manufacturer as well, and for a price of $829, it's a pretty good deal. Now next up on our list is this really cool accessory. It's only $299 and this is basically a shelf for charging your phone. Now everyone has a wall socket that is too far away from the table and you want to charge your phone and you don't know how to charge your phone without dangling the cord or trying to place it precariously on top of the socket or your charger. Now this solves this problem. It comes with an adhesive tape that allows you to stick it right next to your socket. Then because of the hooks, it'll grab onto your smartphone or even your tablet, so you can hang it right next to the charger without worrying about dropping it. For a price of $299, it's a no-brainer. It's fairly well built and it's available in a series of colors. You can also use it as a keychain mount if you're not using it for your smartphone. So pretty ingenious for the price. Go check it out. Now another product on the list is something for your car. If you have a wireless charging smartphone, this will be a added bonus. If you don't have a wireless charging smartphone, this will still be something that you can use. Now this is an auto grab smartphone wireless charger, so you can place it on the vent in your car, and then simply when you bring the phone closer, it has some proximity sensors that will open up the arms of the charger, and once you place the phone down, it'll sort of close the arms and hold your phone in place, and it'll also wirelessly charge your phone if it supports wireless charging. On the back are also sensors, so you can just tap on the back and open the arms to sort of grab your phone when you're done putting the phone on this. You can use this to sort of hold your phone for navigation if your car doesn't have inbuilt navigation. More or less, the important thing is that if your phone does have wireless charging, you can charge your phone while you're in your car without worrying about what cable, where to place it, all of that. Pretty ingenious design and costs only 799 rupees. Definitely go check this one out. Now the next product is for people who are sort of going down the USB-C path or like to convert everything to USB-C. If you have lots of USB-C to USB-C cables, you bought a Pixel device or even the modern MacBooks. Now in certain cases you would want to have a USB-A to USB-C cable. That means that you will have to carry two cables. But with this accessory, you'll only have to carry one cable because this gives you a compact USB-A to USB-C conversion or an adapter, in which you can simply plug your USB-A into your device. So for example, if you have a power bank that has a USB-A output, you can plug this in and convert it into a USB-C output. Then you only need to carry your USB-C to USB-C cable. Really cool product for a small niche of people who probably have a lot of USB-C products and devices and cables, but nonetheless for a price of $449, it's really well built. It supports USB 3, so if you're doing some data transfers, it'll come in handy for that as well. If you are somebody who would probably need this, this is one of the best that we found. Go check this out. It's only $444. Now, what good is a top tech without a bonus product? So our final product is this aluminum smartphone stand. Now, this is really durable and heavy duty, and it comes with a tilt and swivel front mount. It gives you a good amount of rotation as well, so you can have your phone slightly vertical or even 35-degree horizontal. Really cool finish and materials used on this product, and it costs only 650 rupees. So pretty good price for the kind of materials they've used. Now, because it's sturdy, not only will it hold your smartphone, it'll also hold tablets. So bigger devices can also be put on this, and because it has the proper cutouts, you can also charge your phone while it is on the mount. So pretty cool with that design as well. So if you're looking for a desktop mount for your tablet or your smartphone, this is something that for the price offers quite a lot of promise, and it'll work with all sorts of smartphones as well as tablets. Definitely go check this one out, and that completes the list of top tech for 2020. The first top tech is done. If you guys liked it, don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already done that. And if you're not already a subscriber, you should become a subscriber because we have some impressive giveaways and new merch coming out soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. This has been Bharat Nagpal. You've been watching iGyaan, and I will see you guys in the next one.